A supervision fault means your Texecom alarm has lost communication with a wireless device. Common reasons for supervision faults are 1. Dead battery, 2. Sensor is out of wireless range. Our recommendation is to first change the batteries in the wireless sensor with the issue. Once you've changed your sensor batteries, your alarm is likely to go into alarm mode. Enter your user code twice, followed by reset to get the alarm back to normal. If you still have a supervision fault, then it's likely that the wireless sensor is out of range, and you need to add an additional sensor to act as a repeater to help strengthen the signal. If you want a professional engineer to help fix your alarm system, get in touch with the Smart Security team.